Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and, for example, it does not respond to your touches. All you have to do is to use the combination of keys which is normally used for the screenshot. So the power button and the volume down button together. We will have to press it for long enough until we'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and of course ignore the screenshot. Keep pressing both of the buttons simultaneously. So keep pressing. It should take around 10 seconds. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. So I felt a vibration. We've got the developer's logo, so now we can release the fingers and in a second our device will be restarted and it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.